Hello, my name is Sandra Rivera, and I'm a general manager at Intel. And today I'm going to talk with you about dynamic resource pooling. Over the past several years, we have seen many new innovations in terms of user experiences. Uber as your new taxi service, Square as your new financial transaction platform, Netflix as the way you consume media. Behind all of these new experiences, a data center and network infrastructure is making it all possible. This shift to information technology becoming the basis of new business models and innovation is what we call the digital services economy. The rise of the digital services economy creates a number of challenges for the data center operator as well as the network operator. Servicing all of those users and all of that data cost effectively and efficiently is a difficult thing to do when you have an infrastructure that is anchored in fixed function, purpose-built solutions. Intel is helping the industry move to software-defined infrastructure by enabling them to take advantage of dynamic resource pooling. Dynamic resource pooling will enable you to build the scalable, reliable, and responsive data center and network infrastructure that you need in the future. For many years, we've had compute virtualization to enable greater server utilization in the data center. Dynamic resource pooling extends this concept out to your network and storage assets, enabling workloads to take advantage of the full complement of IT assets that are available both in the data center as well as in the network infrastructure. Now you can serve up different applications, different clients, different usage models using the same physical substrate under software control and doing it in a much more efficient and cost-effective manner. Organizations of all types are benefiting from software-defined infrastructure and dynamic resource pooling. The cloud service providers, the financial services industry, the communications service providers. In the telecommunications industry, we see the communications networks have largely been built on proprietary, purpose-built solutions, fixed function platforms and appliances. Dynamic resource pooling can enable them to build out their networks more cost effectively as well as introduce new services. They're seeing lower CapEx, much lower OpEx. And then you layer on top of that the ability to introduce new applications and services for their customers, then you've got a winning combination, lower costs and new services revenue. To make software-defined infrastructure and dynamic resource pooling a reality, you have to start with the right platform. And Intel clearly is investing in technology leadership in our silicon building blocks and in our software ingredient technology. In addition to that, of course, we are moving that whole infrastructure, that whole architecture to server and virtualization technology with concepts like software-defined networking and network functions virtualization. We're also providing enabling tools like the Intel Data Plane Development Kit, or DPDK, which is a collection of software libraries that allow you to have much higher performance packet throughput, up to 25 times better than traditional methods. Another tool that we have is the Intel Intelligent Storage Acceleration Libraries, or ISA-L, that are used to optimize storage workloads and give you better performance, lower latency, higher throughput capabilities such as data deduplication, encryption, and up to 4 times performance improvement on common storage tasks using our latest Xeon processors. So it isn't just the silicon, it's the software working very closely in conjunction with the silicon to get the magic to happen. But beyond that, where the industry looks to Intel for leadership is in standards and open source projects and our contributions to different industry consortia. We're making meaningful contributions to the ETSI Network Functions Virtualization Industry Specification Group, or ETSI NFV, as well as the Open Platform for NFV, or OPNFV. In the storage domain, we're making contributions to both Ceph as well as OpenStack Swift. In fact, we're one of the top contributors to both of those open source collaborative projects. Dynamic resource pooling will allow businesses to unlock innovation to discover the next Uber, the next Square, the next Netflix application, and increase their revenue and satisfy more end customers. If you would like to learn more, please visit infrastructurebuilders.intel.com and www.networkbuilders.intel.com. You'll find recipes, reference architectures, a solutions directory, case studies, and a wealth of other information that will help you build the data center of the future today.